Hello, cute children. How are you? I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a watermelon. It's watermelon piece. So we have to start with a horizontal page. Like it is less page. Like it is here is less place. So it will be better if you put your page like horizontal. So we have to start from here to here. We have to draw a U shape. Okay, so first of all we have to draw a U shape. So we will start from here and go. Okay, so okay, keep in mind these 2 points should be equal, but no problem, not equal, but it should not be round, because always your watermelon is not round shape. So now what is the next is the that. So we have to draw a straight line from here 1 point. Okay, stop it here. Okay, so we have taken a bite. Okay, then we have to make a bite here. So first of all, like 1 2 3 4, it's enough. So a little bit more and you have to meet these points. Okay, we have met these 2 points and this is our bite. Okay, now what is the next? Keep in mind. So we have to draw the outer part of your watermelon. So we will start from here. We will come down. So we go. It's not problem, it's equal, not equal, but the main thing is that having fun while drawing. This is our main view. So now what is missing? Oh, smiley face, always we make it. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw two beautiful eyes. It can be watermelon or for girls, like it should be. Okay, I tell you what I mean. So here, and the other eye is here. Okay, it's good. So now we have to draw a circle, 1, and a little bit here, and 1 is as well here, and the other is here. Okay, so now we have to fill the remaining part. We have to leave 2. Okay, so good, but here eyelashes, here it's a girl. So I have made it girl. Boys can also make it as a boy. They don't make these 3 eyelashes, then it will be a boy. So now what is the next? Next is smiley face. So we have to draw a line. Okay, so now this is the tongue. Okay, so now we have to draw this type curve line, and I have to fill this part. So Yupu, good. So now what is next? The seeds we have to make. Seeds, you know how they look like? Okay, 1 2 3. It's enough this side, and now it's as well here. 1 2 3, but it's your own choice, you can make more. Okay, but I think it's these are enough and looking good. So we have to fill it, these 6. So well done guys, it's looking so cute, but now it's missing all the colors. So I have to color, and I meet you after color. So, Yupu, children's, our watermelon is ready. I will not say you make it other colors, because always you have seen watermelon is always red. So the main thing is that please, when you draw something, then enjoy it. not think that it's looking good or not, just enjoy. And please subscribe my channel. It is love from your side to us, so I make a video with love for you, and you have to subscribe and you have to watch the full video. This is your love for me. Thank you, take care, until the next video, then we meet in next video. Bye bye.